Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Simmons Two Tone knot. Let's go ahead and get started. I use two ties. Obviously that's what makes it two tone. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's just put in a mocha pinch here from Boris Mocha. Come over here, bring both of the ties over to over the top like that, and then bring them both up and over. So this is what we have so far. Pretty simple to start. I'm going to bring both of these around, and then what I'm going to do is, you see how it's going to be the top tie on the top? Let's just do this right here. Let's flip it. Like just like that, and then bring it around like that. So you have it looking like this. That's what you want it to look like. Let's bring this up over here like this. Like that. Then I'm going to open up the bottom. Open up this here and put the bottom tie through it. Like this. So this one right here. And we get this. And I'm going to fold this in half. It's going to kind of naturally do that anyway. And then I'm going to come back underneath it like this and then come up. And then I'm just going to leave it like this. Because then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have underneath here, you're going to have this tie. You're just going to leave this right here. Because then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. And I'm going to put it around like this. And then I'm going to just put it through like this right here, right like this, just like this right here, and then we're going to come up and over like that, and then we'll finish it out with it looking like this. Now, the collar is going to be a little trickier. Not sure what this is, why this is acting like this, but if it pops up on you like that, it just adds an extra dimension to it. If this doesn't, well, actually I like that loose. Some things just happen as you create a knot on the fly, and then you're just not expecting it to do that. So I like that. It just kind of, that second part, just kind of pop it up. So again, all in your own style, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. If you want to see the picture of this knot, go check out Simmons Essentials on Instagram. Peace and God bless.